You ever felt like that the pieces of your online business are just scattered everywhere? Your social media is here in one place, your email's over here, you have your free resources here, community here, videos here, timing here, products here, services here, several different links, and you keep sending all those different links to different people. You don't have that one clear path where everything connects for you into one place. Well, hello, my name's Christy with Building Digitally with Christy, and I just want to personally invite you to my free 2-day workshop. What we're going to do is build your business hub workshop. The workshop is going to be Wednesday and Thursday, the 12th and the 13th. We're going to start at 11 to 12:30, and it's going to be Central Standard Time for each day. Everything's going to be hosted within my Building Digitally with Christy on the Skool platform. So I know the word business hub, it might just be a little bit technical sounding to you, but I promise we're going to break it down to simple, beginner-friendly understanding. Your business hub is your digital front door. Is that just not amazing that you can have everything in one place so that you can guide people on the journey that they need to understand, where they can quickly find stuff? You know, who are you? Who do you help? What resources do you offer? And how can they connect to you? What the best next step should be. Instead of sending people to 5 different directions, then they'll know exactly where they can begin, and they can create their customer journey. Day 1, we're going to move from that scatteredness to being connected. We're going to look at all of the pieces that you currently have in your business, and then we're going to create your business hub for you. You know, this may include your social media platforms, your email or capture pages, your free resources, or your community, or your videos and trainings, or your primary offer. There's so many people out there that maybe have like a free webinar that you invite people to, but then you have this link, and you have this link, and you have this link, and it can just all be together in one spot. So then I'm going to help you organize those pieces into your business ecosystem map, and so that you can clearly see what you have, what you still may need, and then how everything's going to work together. On day 2, we're going to move from that blueprint that we created to your actual business hub, because we're going to get all of the clarity that you need to receive that ready to personalize your 3-page system.io funnel template that's included with our free workshop. I'm going to create you a capture page, I'm going to create you a business hub information page, and I'm going to create you a thank you next page step, so that you can have everything in one place, and you can brand it to yourself, and you can put everything that's in yours, and I will show you how I did mine so that you can have a reference to go by. You will not have to stare at a blank screen and wonder where to begin next. I'm going to explain the purpose of each of these pages and what belongs on them, and how these 3 pages are going to all work together to create that business ecosystem map that you so importantly need. That 3-page business map is going to guide your customers on their journey from confused to clarity. You don't have to be tech savvy. You don't need a large audience. You do not need dozens of products or offers, and you do not need to have your own entire business all figured out before you join us. If you're brand new, bring your ideas, and we're going to go through those ideas, and we're going to work together. If you have several business pieces already, we're going to start with what you have, and then we're going to build the clear step next. I have also created an optional Business Hub Workshop VIP experience for anyone that wants additional hands-on implementation, personal feedback, or help applying the training that we're going to have for your own business. The VIP upgrade is a one-time fee of $47. It includes the extended VIP on both day workshops, and after the general session each day at 12:30, we'll take a quick 5-minute break. We'll get into the VIP and we'll begin that about 12:35. I will talk you through the steps that you need to get organized with day 1, day 2. Personalizing your business hub blueprint, deciding what belongs on each page, strengthening your message, your calls to action, organizing your customer journey, and connecting and testing the forms and the buttons and the links to make sure that they're working all right for you, reviewing your hub from your visitor's point of view, checking that mobile layout and everything, and troubleshooting anything that isn't working. The VIP members will also receive additional implementation, resources, and connection. We're going to have a test and share toolkit so that it's going to give you a list what you need to do to make sure that your links are connecting where they're supposed to be connecting. Both the extended VIP recording and the lifetime access is in the VIP classroom module, and it's going to be there for you. And I want to be very clear, the VIP experience is completely optional. The free workshop still gives you the complete general training worksheets, the business ecosystem map, and the 3-page funnel template that you need to begin building your hub, so that's free. But the VIP is simply going to give you additional time and personal support and help and implementation that you might need while you're your learning. You need one clear place that's going to help people that you're called to serve understand who you are, how you help them, and what you should do next. This is exactly what we're going to be building together. And again, building your own Business Hub workshop is beginning Wednesday the 12th and Thursday the 13th. We're so excited. It's a free general session and it begins at 11 a.m. inside my Building Digitally with Christy Skool community. Click the link registration below this video, get your seat saved. After you register, you will receive all of your workshop details and the opportunity to add the optional $47 VIP experience if you would like additional personalized support. Come as you are, bring what you have, and let's turn those scattered business pieces into one clear, connected business hub. I'm so excited to build alongside of you, and I cannot wait to see you inside the workshop. I will see you soon, my friends.